Today we're going to the animal sanctuary. They're having a fundraiser and a vegan buffet lunch. So I'll take some pictures of the animals. So we just arrived and there's a ton of people here. And we're gonna go into the event. Potbelly pigs. And an emu. Hello. He wants to be on camera.
When you wear boots, you're supposed to wear tall socks.
Taking a break now to eat our lunch. It is catered by Movable Feast in Manchester. This little girl is named Flopsy. She's so cute. I didn't catch this one's name. All the goats are super cute though. I love them.
Go ahead, Chloe. I feel like that guy doesn't like to be pet. This one right here? No, the black. Oh, go ahead, Chloe. The other but there might be another one that's cranky.
Come in, home.
Would they grunt like that?
My dad would just make some bubbles. I think happy, like you just settle down.
Yeah. Oh.
Hi.
Kind of hear like a startle.
We had a great time visiting the animals. Thank you, Sasha Farms.